Hi superstars! In this video, I'll be showing you practically how you can store beans. Okay, I have a bag of beans right here with me, 50 kg bag of beans here with me, and I'll be showing you how you can store it effectively. Enough with the theory. All right, you remember I had told you theoretically how you can store beans, but today I'll be showing you practical step-by-step process how you can store your beans effectively and increase the shelf life. You know that one of the spoilage elements of beans, one of the enemies of beans is weevils. Okay, so when weevil tends to attack beans and increases it, thereby destroying the quality of the beans. So I'll be showing you how you can get rid of weevils and how you can prepare your beans and then store it to increase the shelf life. This method is also applicable to larger quantities of beans, so you can store even larger quantities of beans using this same method. Okay, so watch with me, my superstars, till the end. Okay, my superstars, so that's my 50 kg of beans right there. First, you're going to cut the rope that was used to secure the bag. I want to cut it in such a way that the bag is not damaged and can be reused. So I'm taking time to cut the thread before I'll then pull it open. Okay, my superstar, so that's our beans right there. Alright, so next we are going to pour the beans into a basin. Okay, this beans is the big bag is too big. I can't move it, so I'm going to pour it into a basin to make it easier for movement. Okay, so the first step in bean storage is to dry the beans. You need to dry the beans to get rid of moisture. Alright, so to do this, we'll need a tarpaulin. This is a tarpaulin right here. I bought this. I have about 4 yards of this. And next, we're going to pour out the beans. We're going to spread it on the tarpaulin under the sun. The essence of doing this is to reduce the moisture content in the beans. Another spoilage process that happens in beans is mold growth. If the moisture content in the beans is high, the beans might grow mold. Okay, so spread the beans. Make sure it has a fair exposure to sun. Okay, so this is the first day of drying the beans. I allowed it sun dry for the whole day. At the end of the day, I had packed it into a bag. Okay, I didn't show when I packed it into the bag after sun drying it for a whole day. So next, I sun dried it again for another full day. This is the next day. I brought it out, carried out the same process, spread it on the mat, and sun dried it. Okay, I needed to be sure that it's well dried because the beans will be stored for as long as we can consume it. Okay, so I needed to be sure that it's well sun dried. After drying it the first day, I still saw a lot of weevils in it, so I decided to sun dry it again, and that's what I'm doing now. Apart from storing the beans, I also processed it into beans powder and I made a full video, my superstars. Would you love to see how I processed my beans powder from beans? Let me know in the comment section. Beans powder can be used for moi moi and akara. After sun drying it for a whole day, making it a total of 2 days of sun drying the beans. Next, I start I started packing it. Okay, it's sun dried for 2 days, so now I'm about to pack the beans. Okay, so next we are going to pack the beans into the sack bag we had removed it from. You see why I didn't want to damage the bag when I was opening it, because I knew I would have need for the bag again. Alright, so I shook the bag to be sure that there was absolutely nothing inside the bag. I looked out for weevil, and now we are going to start sifting it. Alright, so the essence of sifting these beans is to be sure that no weevil is taken back into the bag. If you have a look at this my sieve, if you take a closer look, you realize that it has big holes in it. Alright, so to pack the beans we'll need our dry pepper. As you can see, it's the red and strong scented dried pepper, not fresh pepper please. It is dried scented pepper. My superstars, have you observed that I'm adding the beans and the dried pepper simultaneously? When I shake the beans, when I filter the beans to be sure there's no weevil, and I pour it into the bag, after a few portions, I pour dried pepper on it. So that's what it looks like. Okay, I had to bring it closer so you can have a better view of what's going on in the bag. So that's exactly what I'm doing, adding the pepper and the beans simultaneously. Okay, so my plan is to choke the weevil. I'm choking them out. Okay, the strong scent from the pepper will ensure that no weevil can thrive in this bag of beans. For as long as we have this dried pepper in this bag, no weevil will be able to survive in this bag. So we'll therefore have no increase in weevil, and these beans will stay for as long as I want it to, provided it is not exposed to moisture as well. Okay, my superstars. Alright, so I'm almost done with the process. I brought it closer so you can see it very, very well. In the meantime, have you given me a thumbs up, my superstars? Please, can you hit the like button? Please hit the like button. Thank you, my superstars. Alright, if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Okay, my superstars. I'll also show you what the weevil looked like. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Mwah.